Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. This video guys will be working here on a Dodge Journey. This same vehicle guys is known as Fiat Freemont depending on where the vehicle was sold. What we'll be showing you today guys, the fuse for the airbag. Okay, if your airbag light is on guys, there is a fuse for that and you need to check it to make sure that it's not a blown fuse. And let us show you now. Okay, so if I start this vehicle guys, check out what is going to happen now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, start it, and airbag light will go off and then it will come right back. Check it out after like 7-8 seconds I think. Yep, right there, and it just stays on and we have a problem with the airbag. And now I'll see if I go to the screen right here under messages, there is actually no messages. Okay, nothing wrong, it says, but the airbag light is on. So I'm going to turn the vehicle off guys. We're going to go ahead, open the hood now, and I'm going to show you there is a fuse that can take care of that. So towards the driver's side there is a fuse box right here. So if you remove that cap now, press in on those things and pull up. Okay, and you face it this way. This is the same layout as the fuse box. So the fuse that we need to find is fuse number 160. It's called interior 20 amp fuse. This fuse right there. So we're going to pull it out, replace it with a new one. Okay, all the tools and parts that we use guys, including the fuses, can be found in the description of the video below. Okay, for your convenience. So I got the new one, push it in. Now let me show you guys what's going to happen. Okay, let's see now. Remember we even had the traction control light on. Now, nothing at all. I'm going to wait about 10 seconds to make sure it doesn't come back. But as you can see guys, no airbag light on. So if you have airbag light on, check out that fuse. That could be the problem. So thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.